Starting the first quarter, Tony Asway Smart Bro, you feel inspired. The first position, follow ito sa upunan ng PN. 3 points. Jersey number 3. Ivan Makatuon. And dito ang PN para sa offensive rebound, jersey number 3. Back at the Rainbow Country. Nitis. Out of bounds. Playing well. Jersey number 29. That is first person of foul, first team. 14 shot clock for Dinasa. Pass to jersey number 10. And Pailagaw to Makatuon from baseline. 3 points. Makatuon. 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for the first half. And PN Sports here kontra on Dinasa. Kick it over from base. Going up, misses. And offensive rebound number 3. Ang nasa dito kay Anthony. 14 second shot clock open inside. Missed that one. Pass break up. Again, let's get it up. Yes, sir. East na na yan. Yan siya po sa dito sa atin ng Master Patience. Wapo. And PN Sports here. 2 against 6 sa ating dalaan. Number 07. Looking for an open back in the middle. Pick it up. 2 points. 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for the first half of Progenia. Back in from 3-point territory, Mintis. And rebound number 9, back it up. That's number 3. Misas. 14 second shot clock, Casadito. Grabe na, wide open from downtown. Mintis. Apik Bugtong. Aagaw. And last break needs dito kay Pailagaw. 12 second shot clock from baseline. Passing it open. In and out. Nakatuon sa rebound. And Gasolman. Hindi magpa... Score 4 against 6. 4 na minuto. 45 segundo. Pailagaw to Makatuon. Wide open. Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Inbound dito, Kyle Apogania to Ordinesa. Number 29 D, Sukit. Matpakatun, saves. Fired from the Ord. Bugtong, misas. Pailagaw, gusto sukitin. Drives in on Ordinesa on D. Ilipat dito sa baseline. And a pressing Ord. Ordinesa on D. Pailagaw, pinalipat. And nothing for him. Kapit palabas. Going to Apogania. Bugtong mo dito. Apogania, lilipat na yan. And Faculty Asway Cobra, the number 1 energy drink. And number 29 from baseline, step back over, step back back, walk down Inessa from the middle, pick it up, Mitis, and offensive recall, tumawa pa sa LA. Get it open, 0-7, and out Mitis and Agger dominating the rebound, and good points from the lead. 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining for the first half. And Ordinesa, Apogania drives on the attack, turn around, looking for an open, 14 seconds shot. And Bugtong para sa first throw. Mintis, score 6 against 8. And one hand, Bugtong is the man, kakasang black skid. What to save? Alabas ang bola. 14 shot clock, 4 minutes and 30 seconds, down to 12. Back it up, Bugtong against Ropela. Ordinesa from 3-point territory. Mitis. And number 29.
Ayan, na-zoom.
Apogania. Dalawa kontra isa sa rebound. Kaya is good para sa grupo na. Seconds. And Apogania, 14 shot clock. Back it up, Bugtong looking open. Ordinesa, crashing in from baseline na atake. Get it up. Inbound here. Bugtong, Bugtong, misas. Apogania or Fade away, yes sir! 2 points, Abrogania. 6 na puntos for Kyle Abrogania. Para sa unang yugto, 3 minutes 41 seconds. Drop it down, looking for an open. Number 23. Pailagaw is Rafaela. Got him. Bugtong here. And stolen. And a pass break 23. Number 41, found an open. Pailagaw sa pala. Get it open, tingnan pa ng depensa. Yes sir! Ilista na yan. At siya na rin po sa atin ng Magnolia, ang manok ng bayan. 3 minutes 4 seconds remaining for the first half. Abrogania wide open, back in front 3. Mintis, Gongtong. And Abrogania backing it up. Abrogania from baseline, Mintis. And right here, BN Sports, Waras Ofensa. Take it over from Rainbow Country, back it up. 3 points.
3 points. Brady.
And Ordinesa to Abrogania. Looking for an open, back to Ordinesa. 14-second shot clock. Drop it up, Pailagaw. Get it on, coming back to shoot. It's a second offensive board. Offensive rebound by Lagaw. Dapat ng Ipis coming sa free throw line. And Ropela pass to Mundan. Going on me, drives on the middle. Back it up from Rainbow Country. Yeah! Yeah, 3-point shot na dito sa ating ng Cobra, the number 1 energy drink. And Cosma. Abrogania here, a good screen, and Pailagaw back in from 3-point territory. 3 points, Pailagaw. 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining. Ampersoni drives it on, and under foul. Jersey number 10, pushing foul. Remaining time, 1 minute and 55 seconds. 8-second shot clock, BN Sports and opens play. Ropela, pass in the middle, dropping open. Big. Oh, boy. Dropping violation. Score 14-13. 1-point lead for BN. And Abrogania, also Kyle. An opens play to this county. Pailagaw on 3. Dropping open. Pailagaw wide open. Nakikipagsayaw. Liba, shot. Mintis makabon here. Attack inside, wala pa rin. Kahuda. Get it over, wala.
Ay, kang ano man na. Sus.
Gusto palang kumuha ng foul sa ilalim. And second throw for Gosma. Substitution. And jersey number 1. And nice cat. Putang lang. Ginabot dito kay Pailagaw. And ang present. Agaw muna. 3 points Ropela. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Abrogania. Give up 3 points. Seconds to play, 55 seconds. Part from Rainbow Country. Pahunang hour. Dinlock 16 sa ating talaan. Bugtong. One supply. Abrogania wide. 2 points. Nice passing. Dito sa kumpunan. No shot na Bukit. Number 1 drives. Under steal. Lamang sa dalawa. No shot na Bukit. Rafaela drives, stepping forward. Abraham leads for 2 points. Rafaela open here. Maagawan, Bugtong, fast break. Abraham. Let's get it up one. How he uses the glass to finish the lane. 16-20. Remaining time 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Five. That's the end of first half.